What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Welcome to Pure Property Decor, a combination of elegance and affordability, suitable for all. We offer a wide range of products to make your house a home. Be sure to browse our website. We ship worldwide. All orders above $100 includes free shipping. Our website has a live chat feature with customer service representatives available to help 24/7.
So my people, remember to go over Pure Property Decor, my viewers and subscribers, and order all necessary items for your house, my people. And remember to claim your 15% discount, my people. All you have to do is put in the box to get your discount, hashtag NEWLINK production when you making your purchase, my people, or your subscription. And there you will get your discount. Pure Property Decor. Go over there right now. Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up yourself, man. I don't know so the attacking boss there, my people. You understand? And right now, I'm in a good mood, people. I'm in a laughing mood, no playing mood. You understand? Me coming away now, so I don't even know that video I go, people. But I'm coming away right now when me in a mood where it's one of the worst is a NEWLINK mood right now, my people. See? Right now, one of the worst is a NEWLINK mood right now, my viewers and subscribers. Me I tell you that right now. Zin. But first of all, people, what me I gonna do now? Me I gonna play that recording, yeah. Zin. Me I gonna play this recording, my viewers and subscribers. Me now I gonna play the video because there's so much guidelines on that tube something here. Somebody else gonna play the recording from the video where this mother, you understand, right now of these two deceased right now, people, I speak out about this same thing, this when you DUJ0N Griffiths, people. So let me just play this audio thing.
DUJ0N Griffiths, you know I'm dead because you killed me today. DUJ0N Griffiths, you know I'm dead because you killed me today when you make me have to go identify my granddaughter and my daughter in the morgue. DUJ0N Griffiths, you know. DUJ0N Griffiths, you come from Jamaica and you don't have nowhere to stay. And my daughter and his boyfriend take you in their house. Then carry come to my yard in Miami and me take up my $100 gift to you. Because guess what? You didn't have nothing. And they brought you to their home. And you did this to them, DUJ0N. DUJ0N. Anybody can say anything on social media and this and that and R3AS0NS. Be my guest. I am dead already. Me know I'm dead. Because you killed me today, DUJ0N. DUJ0N, you come on my yard. You kill me today. When you kill me pitney and me grand pitney, me I tell you the honest truth. You kill me today. When you kill Kalashi and Kali. You kill me today when you did this to them. You're in their house, you have Kali on your hip every day. They play with Kali. Bring Kali to store. Me send the money, say, buy Kali ice cream. And you shoot them up like this. Just for them things. And you thought everybody was dead. But you got it wrong. DUJ0N Griffiths, no say me dead. So anything will happen. I don't care anymore. I just don't care. I am dead right now. DUJ0N Griffiths from Gulf. DUJ0N Griffiths, I'm the type of mother that don't play. I don't care. I'm dead already. So you can be my next guest. Kill me.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, on a real level, my people, on a real level, Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. Yo, my people, wanna see us some man wicked, eh? Never saw a man because I'm a man, them there, no, my people, them there, no man, them there, something that exists or come from another planet, my viewers and subscribers. But you see us something there on earth terrible, eh? You see us, alright, first of all, people, hear how much things the mother speak about. This is the mother, right now, this is the mother, people, of a young female, you understand, from over Florida, people, who went missing, Zin, and the mother comes, boom, and post up people say such and such my viewers and subscribers. And sadly people, Zane, Jaja sees, Jaja knows that thing, boss. Wow. People, mother and daughter look a baby. The boy take out. Basically that away the mother of the daughter and the grandmother of the daughter as a people. Then him take out the two of them. So what me as a people, if him have a problem with say the baby father then, or him have a problem with the girl, but what that little baby who not even can talk with other people, that's him take out a pie and put it on the little one. Eh? Honestly, the mother comes up home people, this the lady we are speak now, Zane, and a couple hours ago, she posted her daughter, Zane, and her granddaughter missing people, the two of them. Then the sad news I wish she received now people, and yo, me I tell her people, you see in a life, you see in a life, we have some type of things that we deal with people. We have some type of people to come across people. Zane, and all me can say, you have to be careful of the people who you help in a life. Zane, you sacrifice and you help so much of them people. You bring them on your yard, you feed them, you clothe them, you bathe them, you give them everything. Eh? And all the good they do for your people, all of them artists, bad mind and hatred and grudge them a build up for you. And this is what this sin thing do you know. Eh? This is what this piece of sin thing do. Eh? You may say you're not even get the word man. Zane, I mean, know say every man in the street now a rebel. Every shatter in the street a rebel right now. Every acted, every hot skull, every gangster, every dan. Zane, how can you be a man and you take a pipe and put on a look one this up? No, my people, on a real level. Eh? So, based on comment, me see a lot of people have said this, them have said that, wonder if the baby daddy did involve in something or some money, they get robbed up or something, wonder if they, you understand? But you tell me, say, even if, alright, say then something did go so people, right? If something did go so, you tell me, say, he give him right, he comes a woman, take a pie, youth, you never get that word there now, you same thing, Zane, allegedly are you do John, coming out got brand here, you know. You see it? Allegedly, are you do John Griffiths? Zane? Allegedly, it's you them said do it. Allegedly, it's you them on the run now. Allegedly, them can't find you. And anywhere you're there right now is you are the person of interest. You are the person where them want for this thing here. Zane? And yo, look, yo, while you're looking yourself, you know. Zane? And while you're thinking, you know. Because you see when your time come, don't bother believe say I go get an easy one. Don't bother believe say I go get a nice one. Allegedly, them say it's you. So based on the allegations, them say are you. That's why me a brand you know. See? And everything pinpoint on you. Because the mother of the deceased, the grandmother of the deceased, she come forward and she say are you. So she have strong evidence. She have one heap of things to put it on you. Eh? What in your heart now? Could I make you do this? What really? Eh? You wasn't a madman. Me never get no information say you're a madman. Say head no good. Eh? What in your heart? You envy your grudge? Where the grudge the man because the girl will have? Where the want the girl and you never get her? Eh? The people them take care of their yard. When nothing go on for you and hungry or kill a base and what she say. They feed and then do everything for you. Eh? Make you start spending much US dollar. Make you start live like a king. So what me really? Eh? Yes, people, me know a story now go one way, but me not pray that right now. Me don't want to pray the side say him and something no go done and them who him this. Me don't want to pray that side. Pray the whole thing, people. What that look what picnic can't talk. You understand? So you picnic got to pinpoint him and say him do it. That's why him do it. The little baby can't talk. This little baby no just a come forward for land people. And him take what yo, Jaja sees, Jaja knows attacking boss. You see them sing thing upon land? You see them sing thing how you walk upon land? You see them little creature ya? One thing me I telling the people, you see them little creature, them something ya? Time, yo, a time, you know. A time, you know. And that's why I say prison even good for y'all thing like them are going up people. But you know what the greatest thing? Away happen people. Over there with them say what they say in Florida away happen. And what they say happen people say you know what happened to this same thing and now my viewers and subscribers. Do you know what happened to it now? The whole and panic people remember he's found guilty. You understand? Penalty for that man. Remember that. Penalty for you. Either a cheer, either the rope, but I want thing with the hope say yo, some real top shot at wall yo. And them deal with it, them are going to take 99 days to finish it off, and every day them are touch you. You think that joke attacking boss make? It's a cruel sin thing, man. Young girl gone. They look at infant people and miss them something and miss a tears come the attacking boss. Yay. Oh, all the mother who comes to boom people and bring forward this a sin thing you done. Allegedly this a sin thing of people. The mother will come forward and bring forward it. All the mother feel if you know say a sheep bring it in the belly for 9 or 7 or 8 months people. And if you see what this a sin thing you can turn out to be, and do something so cruel and vicious. Oh my girl, oh my precious NEWLINK, sin thing you have heart. Sin thing your sister. Sin thing your cousin, everybody. How you feeling of yourself? If you take the pipe and the local one, take what the human daughter, the human granddaughter one time, the human say people, the human say the boy killers, the boy finish our people. Oh my girl, oh my precious NEWLINK. And you feel say, any friend, you see any friend, any bridging, Zine, they know say you want it right now, and any bridging or anybody we are but you know the same thing too. Remember, uno are the same thing to me say any friend, any bridging. Allegedly, it's you, Zane. Allegedly, as me I say it again, people, it's you, Zane. So any bridging, any friend, if police the whole yet, you know, come in we're there in the police are gonna hold fast, you know. Zane, if you not gonna do something to yourself already, you know, or if you not, you know what I mean? But remember, anybody we are by you, them are the same thing like you. Attack for your same thing. Me attack them too, but better good for you. You need to get more than an attack. It's a cruel. Oh my girl, oh my precious NEWLINK. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. What a piece of sin thing of people. We did I expect this in them a time, when you have so much things out there, do much people, much things. And obviously what this a sin thing you come forward pan Jaja land and condo. This a sin thing ya. My people, only justice I know because I don't even want to talk and attack it in the people. I say I don't want to talk and attack it people. The look soul gone, the boy take what 2 nice soul off of the earth, people off of the land. This piece of same thing when him do John Griffiths allegedly them see a hit people. Do John Griffiths allegedly it's you brother. Big brother take you back NEWLINK, boom, dash you at NEWLINK. Allegedly it's you same thing. Attack, no leniency, no play, no joke with the attack. Dash it, panic, NEWLINK, dash it, attack. Viewers and subscribers, attack it. You lick it on, fling it on, panic people. What a piece of cruel sin thing. Look what that done, look what it has done, people. Look what it has done, Pan Jajaland. Oh my girl, oh my precious NEWLINK. People, big up on yourself. Enough love, enough respect, people, enough blessings. Subscribe, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, NEWLINK, attacking boss. Subscribe, people. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, people. NEWLINK Production Official. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Me love the little children, them people. That's why we say back to school treat for the little ones, them people. All when school now keep, we still treat the kids, them people. We love the people, them take care of the people, them. That's what we say, people. And we say something like this, do something like this. Jaja, boy. Yo, people, give me a chance to hold it and deal with it now. Allegedly, it's you in a do. Yo, people, peace out, yeah, man.
Our hope at Pure Property Decor is that you will find a subscription that'll suit your budget. Our first bundle is our contemporary bundle for $269.99. Our second bundle is $199.99, and our third is our minimalist for $99. Join our family and make your house a home.